Hey doTERRA Europe! Here are the July promotions, so let's start with some limited time offers. First, we have the Costa Brio and Car Clip Diffuser offer. Costa Brio is a blend that captures the vibrant allure of South America with its sweet, earthy, citrusy, resinous, woody and floral notes. It's paired with a Car Clip Diffuser, perfect for on-the-road adventures. And speaking of limited time offers, remember that the post-convention kit is still available until the end of July or while supplies last. For the latest products, we are introducing some fresh hand heroes. This month, we have 2 new foaming hand washes and a glass dispenser to use them with. The On Guard Foaming Hand Wash Concentrate and the doTERRA Abode Foaming Hand Wash Concentrate infused with citrus bloom are formulated to deeply cleanse and be kind to all skin types when diluted. In addition, the new glass dispenser is perfect for the conscious consumer. Plus, LRP members will be delighted to hear that Dill is the limited time offer product of the month in July. It's free with any single 125 PV or more loyalty order processed by the 15th of July. And last but certainly not least, benefit from 10% off Siberian Fir, a fresh pine-like essential oil. Before I go, remember it's the final month of our Say Hello This Summer promotion. Find the full details in the description to complete this amazing promotion. Thanks for joining me.